Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to chat and roleplay with your favorite anime waifus using the RPGGo AI, an amazing character AI alternative. So let's dive in. First open your web browser and search for RPGGo AI, then click the official website and get started. Once inside, you can browse through a variety of pre-made anime waifus or create your own custom character for role-playing. Click on your chosen character and start chatting. The RPGGo AI offers advanced responses, making interaction feel more immersive and engaging. You can also customize your waifu personality, backstory, and dialogue style to make the role-playing experience even more unique. For additional features like the voice interactions, custom storylines, and unlimited chat, you may need to upgrade to a premium plan. And that's how you can chat and roleplay with your anime waifus using the RPGGo AI. If you're looking for an AI character alternative, this is a great choice. Try it out and bring your favorite waifus to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.